If you are just beginning to consider cryptocurrency as an investment, you are in the right place, at the right time. The crypto industry has grown to be, well over $1 trillion market. There is only continued growth of this market in sight. Beginner blockchain engineers are starting at salaries of $120,000 or more per year. In this class, you will learn the basics of crypto. You will learn the history of money and fiat currency. You will learn about mediums of exchange. You will learn the difference between centralized and decentralized. You will learn the difference between regulated and deregulated. You will learn how to initiate digital wallets. You will learn how to interface with crypto exchanges. You will learn some privacy and security tips. As an added bonus, you will learn how to create your own token. You will learn how to make your token tradable on the open market. I'll show you how to use your token as a medium of exchanging value. This knowledge will enable you to take advantage of the greatest wealth transfer to ever take place in the history of mankind. Simply enter your name and email on the form on this page or click the link provided to get started.